What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I am Tracy. Welcome to Hunting Adventures. It is going on at 9 o'clock at night, ladies and gentlemen. It is getting weird hearing some strange noise behind my house. My wild daughter, what do you want? Huh? Nothing. Bandit? Yeah. Bandit ain't gonna save us. You think Bandit will save us? Have you got him fresh water lately?
Yeah. Here, Bandit. Hey, boy.
Alright, let's walk back here for a minute. Let's see. Come on.
I got Mommy's sandals on.
Look, what was that? Did you hear something, Stacy?
What was it?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, I did. People.
Okay, as a kid. And it sounds like somebody's cutting with a chainsaw, ain't it?
They're in the woods.
Why would be somebody cutting with at night, going on 9 o'clock at night? That's not too smart, is it?
Daddy, I'm gonna go put my tennis shoes on. I'm too wet. Okay?
I don't hear that noise no more. I don't hear it no more. I don't know what it was, Stacy. In the town with them spooky woods, huh?
I'm going in there and get my tennis shoes and I'll be back out.
You know what I need to do? I need to get one. I need to get one of them good lights where people can see better when I'm recording.
I'll be back.
Man, you about fell busting your butt. You about gave the whole world something to laugh about. Yeah, but strange noise coming from the woods. It's usually over there. Oh, did y'all see that? I swear I seen a light. I don't see it now. Alright. It's getting weird. I don't hear that noise now. Hear my daughter hollering for me. Shh.
There you are.
It's going on 9 o'clock. Don't be screaming in the whole neighborhood.
I'm sorry, Jeffrey, probably asleep. Man.
Oh, is that man moved in already down there?
Yeah.
See, I can't even they can hardly see you.
Hey, everybody.
It's getting dark out here. Oh, that was heat lightning. That's what that was, heat lightning.
That scared me. Flash lightning don't hurt you.
Hey, somebody's saying there was a coyote running around this area. Oh, look, lightning bugs. We got the lightning bugs running around.
I hate coyotes.
Yeah, they're not too friendly, are they?
No. I like coyotes pups, but not coyotes. I like foxes though.
Yeah. I don't know what that was, but...
Maybe it's a coyote.
Oh, Bandit.
Is that?
Alright, everybody.
Is that your new shirt?
Alright, everybody. Didn't see nothing. We don't see nothing. We don't hear nothing no more. So this has been Tracy and Stacy. That's my daughter's name. She'll be doing a lot of videos with me. So we say...
Can I say?
Say.
What?
Go ahead. Say what you gonna say.
Go check out my channel. I only have 3 subscribers. Come go watch my videos and subscribe to me because I only have 3.
Alright, everybody. This is Hunting Adventures and we're signing off. Y'all have a great night.